Sir, firstly, my deepest sympathies and condolences for for the people who lost their lives, and to the families and the members of their family and friends. That shouldn't have happened. It was just unfortunate. As I said earlier, I don't want to go too deep into it. Who's at fault? I don't want to touch on that. And the whole situation is under investigation. So let's leave it at that, please. Secondly, yes, this group would like to make a lot of changes, as I said, and cricket is at the center of it. So changes or improvements, you can call it. We generally don't use changes in coaching. So we would like to use improvements. So definitely cricket needs a lot of improvement. That's where we are focusing, not just in Bangalore, in other centers as well, in other zonal centers. As I mentioned a few names like Shimoga, Hubli, Dharwad, Tumkur, Belgaum, Mysore, and so on and so forth. So, and we need to have academies in each of these places, dedicated coaches, coaching the talented ones up to under 19. So I think this is what, and have, grounds, form grounds, so the infrastructure, better stadiums, better, facilities for the players, whether it's be it ground or dressing room and so on. These are all the things that we are looking at. So mainly it's cricket centric, but of course you got to look at other aspects as well. Sorry.
Since the incident, the stadium has been deemed unfit. So how are you planning to revive the stadium firstly? And you said you have plans. What are those plans to make it fit for international matches?
I would leave Vinay to speak about that.
Sir, I think we clearly answered you, sir. We are awaiting the investigation reports to be out in the public domain. Let us see what is the remedial measures they have suggested. Whatever remedial measures, apart from that, independently also we want to get the safety audit done of the stadium. Whatever remedial measures required in the interest of the safety of the fans and spectators, we will assure that 100% remedial measures, whatever suggested, will be considered to ensure that there is 100% safety for the fans across the stadium also.
Final question, regarding Asia Cup, a lot of debates going on whether India should play Pakistan or not. What's your take on it?
As I've already said, I'm with BCCI on this matter, and they are the best judge of the thing, and they're very much in touch with the center. I think we all need to be with BCCI on this matter. So whatever decision they take, we got to support them.
So there's a lot of talk about Jasprit Bumrah and the whole workload, row that was raked up. What is your take on this? We've seen legendary cricketers divided over this matter. What is your take on this?
As far as I'm concerned, Jasprit Bumrah is an outstanding bowler. I think he needs to take a call in terms of, whether he would like to play more of a longer format, the test match, or the shorter format. I would personally feel that he is incredible in all the formats, and his bowling remains the same, be it a T20 or a one-day. It's just like a test match bowling, right? So I feel that he needs to be playing more test matches than other formats. Yeah, I'm not touching on IPL though. Okay, let me be very sure here. So even if he sacrifices on one-day internationals and T20Is, okay, he should be playing test matches and probably the IPL if he's fit enough. Yeah, but you cannot take a break from test match.